up to the sun is blazing high. No worries here, just birds that fly. Gonna grab my shades and hit the beach. Pure paradise, always within reach. Got my towel ready, laid it down. No alcohol, just chillin' sounds. Bartender, mix my fruity bliss. Serve me up a buzz-free kiss. It's a Virgin Mai Tai kind of day. Dance to send troubles away. Sipping slow under the sky. Laughing loud, watch the tide roll by, roll by. Palm trees swaying, reggae beats. Barefoot strolling through the streets. No headaches here, no aftermath. Just pure joy in our summer path. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. Sun is setting, life is sweet. Raise your glass to the sunset glow. Innocent vibes, always slow. It's a Virgin Mai Tai kind of day. Dance the sand troubles away. Sipping slow under the sky. Laughing loud, watch the tide roll by. Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. Sun is setting, life is sweet. Raise your glass to the sunset glow. Innocent vibes always flow. It's a Virgin Mai Tai kind of day. Dance to send troubles away. Sipping slow under the sky. Laughing loud, watch the tide roll by, roll by. Come on by. Cannon Arresto's got the blend of Mocktail magic to recommend. Orange, lime, pineapple in the mix. And sticky tricks are sure to fit. Feathers laughing, drink in hand. Living it up in Tiki land. A splash of fun, no need for booze. A sober vibe we love to choose. It's a Virgin Mai Tai kind of day. Dance the sand troubles away. Sipping slow under the sky. Laughing loud, watch the tide roll.